Hi, I'm Ali and a warm welcome to the Ceramic Repair Studio. So in today's video, I thought I would just do a little continuation from my previous video in which I actually cleaned this Chinese teapot. Now, as you can see here, it's actually got a large chunk missing from its lid. So I thought we'd today actually make a new piece for this area. Now, before I do, if you do enjoy the video at the end, please consider subscribing for more content and also a thumbs up, which really does help the algorithm. Now, I'm going to use a product called Milliput, and this is in a silver grey, because in Chinese, when you look at a Chinese item, it tends to have a sort of bluish grey hue to it. So it does come in various colours, but today we're using the silver grey. So let's get going. Here of the silver grey. And it comes in two different coloured tubes, if you like. One's almost a yellow tube from this blue packet here, and you won't need very much, just a little bit. So just take a little bit from the here. So then we want to make it into a nice round ball, and the reason for this is when we use the other part, we will know that it's literally or almost the same sort of size. That's one, and then we take the other packet, which is usually clear. Same goes with all the other colours that Milliput do, and you want to make sure that it's again in a round ball and roughly the same size as you can see here. Once we've done that, just always make sure to pull the packet back in and just make sure everything's wrapped back up so it doesn't dry out. So now we want to mix these two components together, and you want it to be thoroughly mixed in. If it's not thoroughly mixed in, you will find the Milliput won't actually set and will remain quite soft. Now, because it's in two different colours, it's really easy to see when it's combined, because obviously it'll be then one colour. But to start off with, as you can see, you've got the two different colours. Now, to combine this tends to take about 2 to 5 minutes to really combine it well. By the end, it should almost feel like glue tack on the fingers. It starts to soften up quite quickly, and then it's easier to actually. You want to be combining for around 5 minutes or so, and this is almost there now, as you can see. Now, whilst I'm still doing this, I just want to show you that I do actually collect discs of various other colours of Milliput. It's quite useful when you have an item, you can compare colours with whatever item you have to see if it's right for you. Everything from a white to a brown to black, it's almost a turquoise colour as well, which is just always useful to keep and have. Right, so now it feels like putty in the hand, so you just want to take just a little bit of what we need, and you want to place it onto your item, and you want it to be slightly proud so you can actually have some wiggle space for sanding. And just take a bit off. Obviously, if you have too much on, you can make more harder work for yourself, so just a little bit. And just press it into place until you're happy with that. If you have found that you've got a few other pieces which are missing, you can always add a little bit too once it's been dried. And then we can just take a little bit of water with our fingers, and if you want to, you can just smooth it down a bit, really get it into place and shape. But again, making it proud so we can actually got a bit of something to sand with, so we can make it then flush. And this will take around, I like to leave it a good 48 hours for it to set and dry, and then it will be ready for sanding. So there we have it, our little missing piece in place, using Milliput silver grey. And I hope you enjoyed the video and found it useful. Again, please consider subscribing for more content, and a thumbs up if you found it useful. And I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Okay, bye.